What is the name? Indian movies are hard to pronounce, but
I know.
Bajrangi.
Bajrangi
Wow.
Bhaijan?
Yeah, and that one.
Oh,
I like that movie.
oh, the story of
Yes.
a man and a small little girl, right?
Right. Yeah, yeah. I remember the
Yeah.
guy there. Salman Khan. Is that it?
Yes, Salman Khan.
Yeah, yeah. I
He's a
also watched
superstar
some of
here.
his movies, like Sultan. He also has a movie, I
Yes,
think.
boxing
Like he's a
movie.
boxer. Yeah.
Yes,
So yeah,
amazing.
I actually watch some Indian movies. My husband loves Indian movies, so we watch it like at least 2 times a week or once a week. Yeah,
Wow.
depends on the mood. Sometimes we also try Indian food.
It's quite spicy.
Yeah, we make what's that? Biryani rice.
Yeah,
Biryani
biryani.
at home because we were able
Wow.
to find a basmati rice. So we try it. We love trying different food. That's why.
Oh, it's amazing. So biryani, you like biryani?
I
Have you ever
love
eaten
biryani.
biryani from any Indian cook? From any Indian?
Yes. Also in China, I tried because in a university in China, there are a lot of Indians and Pakistanis, and they
Okay.
also sell some something like
Mm,
those biryani and other Indian products. It's
that's really
nice.
nice. I also love biryani.
Yeah. All right.
And you said you watch movie, Indian
Mhm.
movies. Any
Yeah.
actor name that you know, like hero, heroines, any actor or actress name?
Oh my gosh, I'm so terrible at names, to be honest. But one movie that I love is what's that movie? Wait, what is the name? Indian movies are hard to pronounce, but
I know.
Bajrangi.
Bajrangi
Wow.
Bhaijan?
Yeah, and that one.
Oh,
I like that movie.
oh, the story of
Yes.
a man and a small little girl, right?
Right. Yeah, yeah. I remember the
Yeah.
guy there. Salman Khan. Is that it?
Yes, Salman Khan.
Yeah, yeah. I
He's a
also watched
superstar
some of
here.
his movies, like Sultan. He also has a movie, I
Yes,
think.
boxing
Like he's a
movie.
boxer. Yeah.
Yes,
So
amazing,
yeah,
really amazing.
we that's why we see some Indian places like that. And my husband also went to India before because of his company. He's going to different countries to check some
Okay.
factories. And so he went to India and yeah, he loved India like that. He also loved the masala tea, I think.
Masala tea. Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah,
Yeah, at least we know some facts about India.
yeah. Obviously, you know the name of actor that you have seen in your movie. It's really nice that you remember Salman Khan.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have we got any other questions?
Well, I have write down here. Yeah, I want to ask you one thing. Actually, I have write down this because I said I just forget questions when I started talking with anyone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what part of Turkey you are in?
I'm currently in Denizli. It's at southwest, I think southwestern part
Oh,
near Greece. So like European side, yeah. Because Turkey is divided into two, Asia and Europe. So I'm
okay.
in European side. Yeah.
So your experience is good in Turkey? Like,
Yes, I love Turkish food. I love Turkish people. They are friendly, warm, and they like welcoming people. Yeah, the weather is also nice, but I'm not used to 4 seasons because in the Philippines you only have 2 seasons, like hot
oh,
and I mean wet and dry seasons. Yeah,
wi- and in Turkey?
there are 4 seasons. Like there's winter, spring, summer, autumn. I'm only
Oh,
used to summer and rainy seasons, but winter is really tough for me because it's too cold.
wow. In India, we have all 4 seasons.
Oh, so it's also like snowing when it's winter?
Not snowing, but in Turkey, it's snowing.
It's snowing here.
Oh my God, that's too much. in India also snowing, but not not everywhere. Like where I live, it's a hot place, desert area you can say. And but in India, like Shimla, Manali, and
Mhm.
these types of places, Uttarakhand, there you can see snow rains also,
Oh, nice.
snowing also. Like
Really? Wow. I thought India has like 2 seasons only, something like
no,
that.
no, India has all seasons. Like in hot, it's too hot. In cold,
Mm-hmm.
it's too cold. In rainy,
Mm-hmm.
it's too rainy. Like we have all seasons for 4 months, 3 4 months, all seasons. So it's
Oh, okay. In a year. So you
yes,
also
in
have
a
four
year,
seasons.
yes.
Mm-hmm.
But some places it's too hot, and some places it's too cold, according to the geographical conditions, obviously. Like if there
Yeah.
is a cold area, then it will get snow raining also, and it's a hot area in Rajasthan, India, so we are not getting the snow rains.
Ah, okay.
So you are obviously not from Turkey, but still, have you ever traveled outside of Turkey and China also? Like, are you a traveler?
Um, Not actually. I have just been to China and here in Turkey, but I actually love traveling. Here in Turkey, I've traveled a lot of cities, and Turkey has lots of touristic places. I also traveled in China where there are like lots of different cities too, with touristic spots. Yeah,
Have you seen the glass bridge? I think it was glass bridge.
there is actually that when it's winter time. Yes, but I wasn't able to have an opportunity to go there because it's quite far from my city. I actually live in Wuhan.
Okay. Uh-huh.
And yes, that's the center of COVID 19.
I know. It's quite famous after COVID.
Yeah, and it's so far. It's the one that you're talking about is the northern part of China. I'm living in the middle, near the
Okay.
south. Yeah, so I wasn't able to have an opportunity, but yeah, it's also a good place to visit.
Yeah, I have seen so many videos of that.
All right. What about you? Yeah, do you like traveling or
I
have you been
love
to some
traveling,
places?
but I haven't visit any place out of India
Mm-hmm.
yet, because
Mm-hmm.
right now I'm kind of child in my parents' eyes, so I can't go outside other places like.
Ah, how
Yeah.
old are you, if I may ask?
Definitely, I'm not child. I'm 26 years old, but still, it's
Ah,
not allowed to go outside alone, or you know.
ah.
In India, I have seen a lot of places, but out of India, I don't know where I'm going. No idea.
Do you
But
have
I
like?
love to
Uh-huh.
visit. And Turkey is one of in my list also. Turkey. I have
That's
seen
nice.
some serials from Turkey.
Yes. Do you have like a dream country to go to?
Yes, I want to see London.
Mm-hmm.
I really want to see London first.
Oh, cool.
London,
Yes.
and I think it's Paris. Yeah.
So Europe. Want to go
Yes.
to Europe? That's nice.